A former Columbia police officer will try to get his job back tomorrow. Rob Sanders was fired by CPD in 2011 after pushing and hurting someone in a holding cell. ABC 17's Lucas Geisler is joining me here at the desk tonight. Lucas, Sanders goes back to trial tomorrow.
Yeah, Ashley, this case has gone through multiple different courts for the last 7 years, and it is Sanders' second time around on his lawsuit against the city, claiming city manager Mike Mathis broke the law in firing him. Rob Sanders has gone to several different courts to resolve a shove. Chief Ken Burton fired Sanders in 2011 from CPD for shoving Kenneth Baker. Baker and officers fought earlier that day during his arrest on felony warrants, leading officers to pepper spray him. Sanders entered the cell when Baker would not stop slamming on the cell door. City manager Mike Mathis upheld the chief's decision to fire Sanders despite internal affairs clearing him.
He did what the officers were trained to do. He did what the policy said to do. He did what they were supposed to do and was fired for doing it.
Dale Roberts, director of the Columbia Police Officers Association, hopes Sanders gets his job back. Sanders won his first lawsuit in 2014 against the city, but an appeals court reversed it for procedural reasons. The city's attorney says Mathis was backed up by human resources and a citizen-led personnel board. Quote, there is simply no evidence that the city manager acted in some unlawful way in reaching his decision, issuing his final determination, and exercising his discretion to terminate Sanders' employment. Roberts says the situation has caused trust issues between officers and the city, but tensions have cooled since then.
We've had a lot of turnover, so we have a lot of officers who don't know who Rob Sanders is. But there are plenty of people left who still feel that way.
The city settled an injury lawsuit with Baker worth $250,000. Sanders was acquitted on an assault charge related to that shove back in 2013.
And then Sanders is looking to get paid back the money he lost after his firing. And
to give him back some of those years that he's lost that count toward his pension. Sanders was 2 years from qualifying for the city's pension when he was fired. A Lafayette County judge will be here in Columbia to listen to the case for the next 3 days.
All right, Lucas, thank you.